President of All Manipur United Clubs Organization, Amuco, Fairoijam Nandoluwang today, maintained that Amuco and its allied organizations will not be part of the visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi tomorrow, while alleging that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is oblivious of hardships underwent by indigenous communities in the state. Speaking to media persons at his office in Kwaketil, Nandoluwang said people of Manipur continue to suffer owing to the violent conflict which started on May 3, 2023. The value of those who have suffered and those who have lost their lives cannot be fixed by announcement of few projects. Speaking further, Nandoluwang urged people to remember the suffering that Manipur went through in the absence of any comforting words from Prime Minister Modi.
Barki Sauraba, Maman Yamlaba, Prime Minister Ramana, Manipur Kumba Pipi State, Madala Pomatamda, Manipur Gimiamna, Harao from Topa, Taram Tam from Topadu, Harao Tayamulu, Taram Tam Office, Equida, Harao Bagi, Taram Tam Wungbagi, positive feeling of Aquida, Latevo. Lately, Sikarino Hakanda, Barat Sarkagi, Manipur Miambu, Toksa Wasadaba, Manipur Miam Wakatadaba, Manipur Miam Tawai Maman Kangdaba, Manipur Miam Igi Maman Kangdaba, Manipur Miam Miki Masakangdaba, Maruina, Lamdam Sigi Yalomi Wediba, Maitay Singna, Iripa, Iramdam Yapun Masakam, Kaidanaba, Honavada, a quick internally displaced person Mamsi, Awa from the Laganamic, couldn't meet the Pitariba, Sumba Mayamse, a quick call Diava. Aduna, Baraki, Prime Minister Namanipur, Lakadoriba, Concert as Karigi, Damka Lakino. Karigumba office kara Sanabagi, Foundation is to Jungbagi Habineva. I call Manipur Gimiamsi, Nalingi Matam the Gona, which we took the Nova, Karigumba Krada, Tumbalaga Yaba, Dumba, Kangu Fruit Amanatiev. Aduna Kariguma fewer Matada Koi, Baraki Prime Minister Lapuchida, a Saruya Zero have a Yam Simba, confirm period to Hijaban.